Hi there, Melody from WTI, and if you're looking to switch things up in your bathroom very quickly and not very costly, start with your faucet. This faucet from Hurran is so beautiful. It was so easy to change, it took nothing, and it came with everything you need. No running to the hardware store to get hoses or whatever. It also comes with a matching finish pop-up bathroom sink drain with overflow and built-in strainer. These hot and cold 90-degree lever handles feature drip-free ceramic cartridges, so the flow is going to be effortless and smooth and totally under control. It comes with a no splashing water-saving bathroom aerator, and it also comes with a no flow replaceable aerator for a higher flow. And with a 360 swivel, this spout offers more clearance and better access to the sink. I just love it. The smooth matte black finish of this faucet is perfect for any decorating style, and it resists fingerprints and water spots for a fresh new look. So if you want to switch things up a bit, don't be shy about it. Get yourself this gorgeous faucet set from Hurran. You're going to love it. And that's my point of view.